Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into another quick and easy tutorial for all you video enthusiasts out there. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to rotate a video in Filmora. So, let's get started. Step 1. The first thing you'll need to do is import the video clip you want to rotate. Simply click on the Import Media button and select the video from your files. Drag and drop the video onto the timeline. This is where all the magic happens. Step 2. Click on the video clip in the timeline to select it. You'll see a white border around it, indicating that it's selected. Then, double-click on it. Step 3. Now, head over to the Transform tool. You can find it in the Video tab above the preview screen. It looks like a little magic wand. Step 4. Once you've clicked on the Transform tool, you'll see various options, including rotation. You can simply adjust the rotation slider to the desired angle. As you move the slider, you'll see your video clip rotating in real time. Look for a Transform or Scale option in the toolbar or Effects panel. This is where you can adjust the size of your video clip. Look for a Flip or Flip Horizontal/Vertical option in the toolbar or Effects panel. Choose whether you want to flip the clip horizontally, left to right, or vertically, upside down. Step 5. Once you're satisfied with the rotation angle, click the OK button. Filmora will apply the rotation to your video clip. Step 6. It's time to save your masterpiece. Click the Export button, choose your desired export settings, file format, and destination folder. Then, hit Export and let Filmora work its magic. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to rotate video in Filmora. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.